Oh my God! Look, they finally fixed the escalator. It's working. I can now relax going down. Hey everybody, what's up? John Chow here from johnchow.com. I'm here at the San Clemente Outlet. It is Saturday, and that means it's time for the weekly Self-OC Cars and Coffee. Tomorrow is Halloween. So today, Cars and Coffee is doing not trick or treat, but trunk or treat. Yeah, so apparently a lot of cars is going to be decorated and, you know, wearing costumes and stuff. And I believe some trunks will be open and you can get some treats. So let's go check it out. All right, and I see the Cars and Coffee merchandise tents is all covered in spider webs. Nice. All right, starting here, this is going to be the scariest car of Cars and Coffee. It's a Simon's Camaro. It's covered in spider webs.
Australia. What part of Canada are you from?
Also covered in spider webs is the the Audi R8 and there's Simon and Company.
There you go. Hello, John. Good to see
Simon.
you.
Nice to see you too. And another R8. This is one of the Cars and Company sponsors. This is Polestar. And oh, check this thing out. The Aventador three-wheeler. It's really licensed as a motorcycle. So. But, you know, if you want to have a motorcycle experience, but you don't really have problem balancing a motorcycle, this is a good alternative. And it's rentable. See, it's from Share. So you can rent this for the day and, you know, drive up and down the Pacific Coast Highway, have a lot of fun. Or you could also rent this Lamborghini, your choice. Yeah. So this is the Share Lamborghini. Yeah, I guess they're getting ready to decorate it as well. All right, and through this crowd of people, I see the SLC Super Light. This is a kit car. It's extremely light, that's why it hence the name. It weighs 2,400 pounds, and it's powered by a 1,300 horsepower Ford Coyote motor. Twin turbo, twin intercool, pretty scary. And next to that, is Jay's Ford GT. Now Jay did a couple of mods to his GT, and one of them is right here. So check out Jay's new seats. Check it out. He got some new silver inserts in the seats. So they used to be black, and they give it that finishing touch. He also got a different exhaust on it too. I realized that. Check it back. Check it back. Check out these pipes. That's not stock, but it is cool and it's properly loud. Ferrari, California. A couple of Ferraris here. I see an F8 Spider, very nice. The new 992 GT3, also very nice. GT4 LaRusso, V12 Ferrari. McLaren, another Ferrari, the 458. The last naturally aspirated V8. Basically, if you want the sound of this car and a modern car, you can look at the new Corvette Z06. Oh, check this thing out. It's a Corvette power Range Rover or Land Rover. All right. So take a Range Rover, remove that little wimpy engine, and stick in a real motor. I like it. Corvette power Land Rover. Lamborghini Aventador with yellow piping and the big V12. I can still feel the heat coming off it. Nice. Yeah. Lamborghini Murcielago. Oh, look at this, a Slam Audi R8 with red wheels. Ferrari Testarossa from Miami Vice. Yeah, you know, the original Ferrari Testarossa used to Miami Vice was black, and the problem was it didn't pick it up in camera for night scenes, so they switched it to a white one. But cool. F12 Ferrari. I think I saw this yesterday. Yeah. 720S. Another F12. Now this one is it's matte white, and it's actually, I believe it's a wrap. Yeah, what? Yeah, that's a wrap. Well, basically what he did was he's using the invisible shield, but instead of using clear invisible shield, he's using a a frost invisible shield, and it basically makes the paint go flat. Really, really cool.
Very cool.
And speaking of flat, here's another very matte gray style Porsche convertible Audi R8, Lamborghini Evo Huracan, MP412C Spider, GT3, AMG GT, and check out this wide body Ferrari 458. Oh my words. That is like this. Look at that, no gap at all. Yeah, like we're talking, we're touching here. It's obviously on air rides. It's been slammed, so customized Ferrari from Japan. 600 LT, and man, I can feel the heat coming off this engine. We can see he's definitely competing for the best car costume of Cars and Coffee. Yeah. Ooh, nice. I'll give me a Kit Kat. Yeah. I'm going for the treat. Oh my word, look at this. Wow. Supercharged Mazda, and that's gotta be the tiniest supercharged I've ever seen. What is this? Oh my words. Wow. Look at those suspension on this thing. Baby seat too, yes. Always take your baby off road with you. Wow, I like it. Wow, word. Look at that. Look at that's what I call suspension travel. This is my pick for car of the week. Batman. Ooh, more treat. Awesome. Thank you, Batman. It's good to see people get into the Halloween spirit. I love it.
Thank you.
That's great. This is my favorite Halloween car right here. Oh, watch out. He's got NOS and he's got turbos. So this car's got a mini-me.
If you look, there's a mini-me up there.
Is a mini-me? Wait, what am I looking at?
On the hood.
In the hood? Oh, there's the mini-me. It was so mini, I didn't even see it. The original, the mini-me, and the mini-me. That's great. Now, there's a good theme right there. Finding Nemo.
All it does is cost money.
So smooth, so beautiful, yeah.
Oh, more treats.
All right, take.
Nice. Okay. Reminds me of the time when I put a shit over my head pretending to be a ghost. Now this hearse is very appropriate for the Halloween theme. Next to a nice ZR1 Corvette. 427 vintage Corvette. Oh, check it out. The big block Chevy. Nice. This is worth money. Sakuma minivan. And man, check out this slingshot. That's a lot of LEDs going. Yeah. These things start at $20,000, and you know they attract so much attention. If you want to attract attention, those slingshots will do it. Yeah, I think this is a crime scene. Oh my God, look who's driving. Look at the Superbird. Covered in spiders. Classic Camaro. Big supercharger. I got wastegate. Intake back there is not the most ideal location, but other than that, it's a very good installation. And best of all, he's an Uber driver. It's a slam shaggin' wagon with natural air conditioning. Wow.
Too much going on, Dad.
It's a devil dog. That's awesome. Check out this glamper. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser. Check out this roof system. It's awesome. I mean, we got shades, lots of sunshades right here to cover that up. And then when you're ready to turn in for the night, you just step up there and you go into your camper. I like it. Listen to the engine note on this Model 3. There's the air ride suspension setup. Now it was really cool. Paint that as a Duracell battery, that'd be great. Perfect. Carbon fiber wheels. Nice.
You recognize the bumper?
Okay, other mods he's done to it. I see he's got the yoke steering wheel, the tiltable screen, a lot of carbon.
Buy a Tesla that's like daily. Hey, what? It's a Cybertruck. Oh my gosh.
And the GT4 bumper. Basically, I mean, not the GT4 bumper, the GT4 chin spoiler, which is basically, yeah, there you go. Identical chin spoiler. It works on a GT4 and it works on a Model 3. This is a Lotus Elise cleverly disguised as a Tesla. Yeah, take the lightweight sports car made by Lotus, add about 400 pounds of battery and electric motor, and this is what you have, the Tesla Roadster. I see James and Simon doing their Cars and Coffee intro. All right, and I guess with that, this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 to 11, and today was Trunk or Treat, so a lot more fun than usual. It's great to see all the cars get decorated in Halloween costumes and seeing all the kids out getting treats and stuff. So, yeah, if you want to be part of it, come out next Saturday. Check out the show. If you're a car enthusiast and you want to get some exercise, take your dog for a walk, drink a coffee, this is the place to do it Saturday morning. JohnChow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.